Hey everybody, it's Nathan, and today I've got for you this 40-inch brush cleaner. It's for pipes, it's for bottles, whatever you can find a purpose for. So the seller went ahead and sent me one of these for review, so let's get started. All right, so these little brushes here, these are for hard to get places where just most cleaning tools aren't gonna get, and that's what makes them so special. So I do a little bit of beer making, and especially wine making. And with that, I've got lots of different hoses and stuff. And if you have like some kind of a contaminant, it could be, you know, bacterial or yeast or just anything abnormal, it can throw the whole process off. Your whole batch has to be thrown away. So everywhere you can get in and clean is going to help you. And with that, we use a lot of different rubber tubing and hoses. And I just sometimes really need to make sure I get that good and cleaned out before I make my next batch. So that gets right in there. I mean, look how far I can get this up in there. I mean, that's a pretty long tube there, and I've gotten it almost all the way to the end there. So look how far you can clean. That's really cool. And it gets up in there. It does the job it's supposed to do. Just add some soap and water, and you're good to go. Doesn't just stop there, though. Got some straws, we have some reusable coffee cups, things like that we use. It's hard to get inside and clean these straws. Just passing water through it isn't always the best option. So with this, there we go. Nice and clean. These can be used for the back of your refrigerators, for your drains, just any type of little small hose that you need to get up inside of. I'd highly suggest you pick these up and just make sure that you're getting the job done as perfectly as you can.